How you doing?
Ain't no water, Dave.
There'll be water.
When?
Let there be water. In a little while, I'll call Amy. See what time they open them. Today is John's birthday. How old are you, John?
57.
57. So me and Mike and John are going to do the Catawba River run down below Rock Hill from Fort Mill. It'd be kind of rough out there right now.
You want to watch some of this?
He'll have it running out of his ears. You watch him.
Look at those muscles. You are a fine man. Fine man. You better believe it there, buddy.
I don't want to. My legs will be up underneath the thing, and I got a little bit up in the boat, so we're good. Thank you, though, very much. I enjoyed that attention that you just gave me.
Any words of wisdom before we embark on this journey?
Yeah, we need some water.
We need some water. Let's call them and tell them to turn it on.
We'll be walking on this trip instead of paddling.
It won't be long.
They're well thought out.
Is that called a fireman's egress?
He's using golf course words already.
Uh-oh.
You with us?
He's coming. Birthday John, 57. Mike, 69.
Or like Neil Young said, 24 and there's so much more. Live alone in a paradise.
Make me think of you. Wait a minute, I gotta get stylish here before you start taking any pictures.
You're already stylish.
I don't have my shades on, Lord.
All right.
My future's so bright, I gotta do it.
We got to take John to South Fork, you know.
South Fork. What's that?
South Fork, Catawba, where me and you went.
Or South Fork. Okay. Well, that said Southport. That was a place where you went to get laid in Indiana.
That's some kind of cartoon, is it not? Don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Don't tip the boat over.
I've never been up here before.
Me neither. I just hope they don't open them gates while we're up here. We would have a ride.
Yeah, we will. Let's go home. I don't bet you have enough time to get out of the way.
I look like Gilligan's Island with all them rocks. I like Marianne. You look like the skipper. Or maybe I look like the skipper.
Here we go.
Slippery when wet, I like that.
It's time. You guys are going to have to employ yourselves on a walk in the woods.
John's got to find him another stick.
Get yourselves a river rock stick.
Oh, where'd you get that one?
From you.
From me.
Yep.
That's a good one.
Just the right length.
Let's see it.
Right in here.
There's an egress right there John's doing. I believe I can get over there. Look at this trash. They need to be shot. Beautiful spot on the river like this, and look at them. I'd kill them and go to prison. The birthday boy.
You say, buddy? Good times. Good times.
Yes, sir.
Good times.
Those kayakers that she released, did she let them know that there are 3 old horny farts in this way that they might encounter?
Maybe, I don't know.
Race on the river is not a crime. I've heard that before. Yeah.
Now,
Like in international waters, anything goes.
Well, and you know, we have some experience. We have some experience at that.
We do.
We
We've been married
came
a long
under that
time.
murder. We came under the murder bridge by Blacksburg,
That's right.
and as long as we stayed in the water, that warden said he couldn't.
that was People's Creek.
Bottom.
That's right.
So if you are reefing on the river, make sure your feet are off the bottom.
That won't be a problem.
I tell you what, just pull them panties off. Been over that rock right there, John. We're gonna give you your birthday present. Mike, you hold the camera. Or you want to go first, or you want to hold the camera?
You can't put this on YouTube, so I can say anything I want.
No. No. Take that little bitty shirt off there too. Don't say nothing, just do it. Boy, you got a pretty mouth and a ugly orifice. Mike, you hold the camera on him, and I'll go first.
Come on in, boys. The water's fine.
Woo.
Don't hear as they get older, but they're just less able to perform. Is that it?
Stress make you impotent.
Or is you're pretty horny when you're a young man, a teeny bopper?
Mercy. Film at 11.
You guys are, I'm trying to think of some lines from old brother, where art thou? And you're messing me up with all this top you got.
Who made you leader this outfit? Whoo, gotta go.
See that place before right there? Look at that crazy looking place.
Yeah, it was there last time.
You saw it?
Yeah, you was out there with them fellas on that rock right there. Remember, look to your left.
It looks like it's an old lady in the shoes house.
Yeah,
Like straight up.
you was out there on to your left, John, on the rocks, them fellas, helping them get their whatever it was they lost. Most of these rocks were not visible when we came down.
That one was.
You get ready to get out again, Mike, let us know.
Say what?
When you get ready to get out again, let us know.
Oh, I'm not in any hurry. Just picking my way through. Can't imagine what this is like when the water's faster.
You'll be going a whole lot faster. And you wouldn't see all these rocks.
Well, you're right. You can see where they were wet. This looks interesting. Looks like the only place is right ahead of you there. Yeah. Must be the big island where they tell you to go to the right.
No, that's a different.
Left, it looked really nice.
That's a different one. We're looking for. Oh yeah. We're looking for a place to cool off. We found that creek though.
Oh, I had a nice place though. There's a girl over there selling vodka and lemonade. I sat on the van. okay?
We were coming, but we looked, and you already got back in your boat.
Well, you were so far downriver, I figured you guys weren't coming.
Well, we were coming. We just wanted to find that creek.
It's too bad. She was nice, and she says, "I'd like that curly white one."
That's Santa Claus. You hear Mike talking crap?
Yep.
Yeah! We either the Three Stooges or the Three Musketeers. Before you couldn't even see these rocks. It's too easy now, but it's still nice. Oh, here we go.
Us three old guys together, but when I first met my wife, I used to go golfing.
That's your pacemaker going on.
I used to go golfing with her dad. Yeah. And he was a good Catholic, he did a lot of praying, very, very good man. He said to me before we got down there, he said, now, you're going to hear a lot of dirty words down here with these old guys. And I was like, okie doke, I'm all right with it. So this first old guy gets up to tee off. He's about 100. And the club is shaking. And he said, boys, this shot's going to be harder than a wedding day. I like fell off.
John, we got to take the boat paddle and give you 57 licks.
No.
Hell yeah.
No,
Grab it,
boys,
Mike.
You might become aroused and try to have relations.
We're going to do that down on that other island coming up.
You might try to have relations with me.
I've already had relations with you before. Don't tell nobody.
Hey, don't come any further. Just stay right there. Now spray my back and my back of my neck. Back of my arms.
Oh, this looks romantic.
Get your finger out my head!
Oh,
We're not ever going to be able to publish.
whoa, whoa.
They're all,
You cheating on me?
they're all cuss words.
Oh, Lord. We ain't no queers. Homie, don't play that crap. I don't know about these other two. We got kayakers coming.
You know, I told you what the old sergeant told me in the Army.
What?
He came in and he said, are any of you men homosexuals? And I said, no, sir, but we're willing to learn.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You sound a little like Stripes.
Yeah, I know it.
That's exactly where that came from.
Oh, is it?
The movie Struck.
I don't remember that line.
It's in there.
Maybe they don't show it anymore because it's not politically correct. But the one I always think of, because I was bringing up the rear, you guys were going around, I always thought about Bill Murray when he's coming out, he's got in his pack, he's gotten shaved, he comes out, and Warren Oates is standing, son, Bill's the truth always last.
Hey, Warren Oates was a heck of an actor.
He was.
We're in the middle of the river on John's 57th birthday. Hallelujah. Me, Mike, and John. They're gaining on us.
Yeah, they are.
That's okay.
I don't care. We haven't been on the river 2 hours yet.
It's hard to believe.
Yep.
See, what those people are doing is they're paddling and not enjoying the natural scenery, the fauna, foliage.
Yeah.
The flora and the fauna.
The
And the
flora.
creek. I believe that's Hidden Creek over
I
there.
stopped over earlier and I drained some coffee residue to the mystic sands of the beautiful Catawba River. Awesome.
That is so wonderful.
Far enough back.
I'm getting misty-eyed.
Far enough back in the woods to where it wouldn't pollute the river. But I'm telling you, it was pure.
This stuff is kind of random that I'm bringing up, but there's an English guy that works at our
Is
store.
this PG?
Yeah, it is. It's G. There's an
G.
English guy that does wine. He stocks wine at our store. He's a wine vendor. He's from England, and we always say pip pip cheerio, God save the Queen, etc.
Yeah,
talking back and forth, and I said, asked him, did you ever remember an actor by the name of Terry Thomas?
Oh my gosh.
With that gap in his teeth.
Yeah.
And I said, yeah, English, they can tell you to go to hell in a way that you'll never know. You'll be glad.
They're coming through the rapids.
You'll be glad they said it.
And So he was in a mad world. He and Jonathan Winters
I
were going
remember.
down this mountain at
Here comes the other dude. Let's see if he makes it.
about 111 miles an hour. And Terry Thomas said, I say that, chap, we're going a bit fast. And the truck was up on 2 wheels, and I was like, that's just like English, you know, stiff upper lip.
Don't fall.
I remember him from How to Murder Your Wife with Jack Lemmon. And
I
that
didn't know he
beautiful
was in
Italian actress, Beard Amazing.
I want to see that. I love Jack Lemmon.
Oh, that's a comedy. It's a great comedy. He writes a cartoon about like a superhero detective guy. He couldn't fly or anything, but he was always there with his gun and jumping fence. John,
Now, sir.
probably gonna need your help.
Okay.
So what that is I can't seem to put on a damn t-shirt. So I can get it all rolled up on the back.
You just ain't went out enough bedroom windows. If you practice that, you're pretty good at it.
People do a lot of these short runs.
Yeah. I'm only having people do it right now just because the water's so high.
Yeah.
But I mean, if they're in kayaks, they can go whenever they want.
I think I just figured out the technique.
Well, bless your heart.
Bless your little pea-picking heart.
All right, we're celebrating John's birthday today. He's 57, and we had just came off all them rocks and water down there.
We did not go, however, up onto the highway.
No, we didn't. And the water was a whole lot lower than what it was when me and John came down.
If the highway was there and it was in the water, Dave would not have scouted it, however, and he'd have gone, I didn't know that was there.
I like a sense of adventure.
What's that? You said a man has to have some...
Man got to have some stress every once in a while, but not too much. You know, stress to make you impotent. Not that I'm talking from experience.
Also make you impotent. That's what did it.
You know, stress might get you barred off of POL.
P-O-L. Oh, P-O-L.
Yeah, POF.
I got fired out of Olive Garden restaurants.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And I
For
got
what?
thrown out of Joe's Crab Shack.
man. I got thrown out of a bar in Gastonia. A woman had her hand down the front of my shirt. I was enjoying it, but everybody else
Thrown
wasn't.
out of better places than this. I wouldn't belong to a club that would have the like of me as a member.
This is a nice place, fella. Look at the cooters down there. I think they're being intimate. They just went under the water.
I asked her if we jumped over this to avoid paying the tab, would it be all right? She said, I'd like to see y'all do this.
It's fancy schmancy.
And thank you for the drink, sir.
And thank you for the drink, sir.
You're welcome.
So we ain't gonna split that out. We're just gonna pay it and be gone.
We're not too far from the get out point.
Yeah?
Maybe another hour.
Oh, that's not bad. I thought you meant like 15 minutes.
Nah.
Was she just putting some people in or taking them out?
Putting them in. They'll put in here and get out. Right down there.
Oh.
This is short run. Now see, she'll pick you up here if you
Not
want
from the Monopoly game, the short run railroad?
to. What?
You never played Monopoly?
Yeah.
You got the short run railroad there, right?
Short run.
Never did play Monopoly.
You never played Monopoly?
I've never played.
I loved
You've
it.
gotten to this advanced stage of your life and you...
I try to buy Boardwalk and Park Place all the time.
Right. But you can make some good money down there on Baltic Avenue. Marvin Gardens?
Yeah, yeah. I like that shoe or the hat.
Yeah.
That was my piece.
That is made in York, South Carolina. I thought
Really?
that was pretty cool. Yep. Windy Hill Orchards.
Is it drinkable?
Yeah, it's good. Taste it if you want it.
You know what they do in York?
I've been going to the.
PM at 11.
That girl called us goons.
We are goons.
That's what hurts about it.
She seen that wishbone around your neck. Mike's got one too. Mike's feeling good, you know. He'll be singing.
We're gonna have to get out one more time to get wet. Hey, it's hot in here.
Oh, I know it.
It's wet.
You pick at the spot. Mike will be rapping for long.
All right, boss. Rob the food bag. Who's on the swamp bed?
He's got his sunglasses on. He's ready to go.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that sun has got
Yeah, it
climbing speed.
is. Well, blow me down.
Go ahead, man.
Duck. We're going to get out one more time, Mike, to cool off before we call it quit.
Good with me as long as the weather holds.
It'll hold.
I see.
You worry
lightning,
too much.
I'm out of here.
You worry too much.
I don't know where I'll be, but
Film at 11. Woo! What? He may not come. That's a good little drop off right there. Hey man, we're around the other way. Oh well. No, he went the other way. You want to take a look at that weir?
Yeah,
We can get out. If Mike will hold up.
we're going over inside of it.
Yeah, I guess we can get out once we get in. Unless you want to park right here or something. That's it right there. You got to go back upriver to get in front of it.
You don't make no difference, man.
Unless you can paddle up to it.
I don't think so.
The water's kind of swift right in here. He's still going, or did he pull over? He's still going. That'd be a good place to fish on the other side of that weir. I'm a walking, just you and me, am I talking? Whew. What you gonna do when the well runs dry? What you gonna do when the boo boo boo? That run out of battery. Yes, sir. About to run out of battery. Fun.